Hello everyone, welcome to ICT Nepal, and I want to say that this is the new episode of the Laravel 7 e-commerce from scratch. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please don't forget to subscribe channel, and please if you like the video, please give the thumbs up and share the video with your friend. So let's get started of the new episode. So here what I'm going to do is, in the previous video we have made the migration file, and in this video what we are going to do is we will make the cloud application, okay, so of these things of the migration file. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm here in this migration files. Okay, and if you want the code, I have given the link below. Okay, so you can go there and just download the code from the GitHub. So let's talk about it. So what we have done, the new things is like the contact, payments, contact form, and customer details. Okay, so the four things we have done. So let's make one from the customer details. Okay, so let's go and make it. So for that, what I'm going to do here is we need the customer details, we need the payment. Okay, so we have the contact table here and we have the contact forms. Okay, customer have the payment. So first of all, let's make the customer one. So first of all, let's go and here write PHP artisan serve. Let's go and solve these things, and here let's make the dashboard. Let's go towards the dashboard. So we have the dashboard here, and we have the product category, product, and product images. Okay, so here what I'm going to make is let's go and make the four things. One, the customer details, payment, contact table, contact forms. Okay, so customer details, so here let's go towards. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just, I don't need this for now. So this, what I'm going to need here, I don't need this outline also. So let's go towards, first of all let's make the things called the customer detail, payments, contact, and contact form. Okay, so customer details and payments. So to do these two things should be in the one. Okay, so we have the backend, we have the layouts and sidebar. So here what I'm going to do is just copy this one. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, just paste it here, and let's change something called payments and customers. So here first of all I'm going to make here okay, so here what I'm going to do is customer details, and the other thing payments. Okay, so these two things I don't need this one, so just copy this again, and let's make the contact here. Okay, so contacts, so I'm going to make the contacts also, and one is contact page. Okay, so here one should be not the contact page, it should be company contact, and here when the customer will contact you. So customer form. Okay, so these are this second one is the customer form. So I have written it the customer form. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, we have the two things, payments and customer details and payment, and the other one is the contact, company contact, and the contact form. Okay, so here let's make the two things. First of all, the customer details and the payments, and company contact and company form of customer details. Okay, so what we have in the customer details is like, let's go and make it in the, okay, not the controller. First of all, let's go to the model. Okay, so customer details. So here let's make the protected fillable and equal to. So okay, so first of all what we have is, let's go and see in the table the payments. Okay, so okay, customer details. Okay, F name, L name, company name. So what I'm going to do here, make it to, okay, so split left. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, customer details table, I'm going to see this from, and in these things what I'm going to do is, so this split option is very good. Okay, so for me it is like I have only one screen, so I'm going to do split here. If you have the two screen, you can just do it easily. And here what I'm going to see here is like, let's go towards the customer detail and let's write it. Okay, from there, F name you have first of all, and you have L name, and the other one is the company name. So what I have done here is, I am going to connect these models with the database. Okay, so you know what I am going to do here, or what I have done here, it is because we have already done it. Okay, so phone here, so other one is email here. So don't get so rush, don't get so hurry to know the things. Okay, it is because the coding is like, you don't need to do it instantly. You need to first of all understand. Okay, and this video from scratch, that is very helpful for you to understand. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste, because I think I feel little lazy. So I'm copying here and pasting it here. Okay, you can do it also, it doesn't matter. So I'm copying here and pasting it here. Okay, so district, okay, there's a lot. Okay, and the another thing is like, okay, sorry, so district here, postal code here, okay, I need this again, and another one is the other nodes here, so other nodes also here. Okay, okay, these things is done. So I'm going to cut this and I'm going to close all here. Okay, what happened? Okay, now it's okay. So these things done, and I have made the model here. What I'm going to make is now one thing you have to make also. The other thing is the payment is connected with the customer, right? So let's go and make public function customer payments. Okay, so payments. So we have these payments. Okay, so what's going on? I think this should be little good. Okay, so okay, public function payment. Okay, so I have done here made one function, so this payment should be, sorry, first of all return, and what I'm going to return is in from this has many, this has many, okay, payments. Okay, so the customer have many payments. Okay, maybe right. Okay, so this has many payments, so if, and we have like, okay, app models, and we have like, we have here is payment. Okay, so this has many payment. Okay, so we have done here like the same we have done in the product image, okay, or the product category here. Okay, so this has many payments. Okay, this thing's done, and what I'm going to do is same thing in the payment. So let's go and see the table of the payments also. So payment here, okay, payment table here, total with a nil status. So status also we can need total, payment type, and customer ID. Okay, only the four things: total, payment type, customer ID, and status. Total, payment type, customer ID, and status. Okay, so we have protected, fillable, equal to so what I'm going to do here is one total. Okay, another one is payment type, another one is, okay, total, payment type. Let's see here, let's delete this one, and let's see here, so total, payment type, customer ID, and status. Okay, customer ID, okay, customer ID, got it, customer ID, and one is like status. Sorry, what's going on here? Another one is status. So we have the total, payment type, customer ID, and status. And what I'm going to do is here, let's make the another one table, sorry, function, public function and customer detail. Okay, or here customer detail. Okay, so let's make it here. Okay, return from this, where it's gone, this belongs to app and models and customer detail, right? So it's right, don't you think so? We can check it out later. So we have made the customer details and payment, and let's make the model of contact and contact form. Okay, so in contact what we have is, you have to just see there in the contact table what we have is, okay, location, email address and phone. So here in contact, protected, fillable, and what we have is like, we have location here and we have email here and we have the other one called address here and we have the phone here. Okay, so what we can do is, okay, we have the four things here: location, email, address and phone. Location, email, address and phone. So it's done, right? And the other thing we have is the contact form. So in the contact form, let's go towards the contact form, customer details, contact form. Okay, so it will be easy, don't worry. So we have, okay, these things done. So in the contact form, message form, name, email, subject. Okay, let's go and the model, let's go in the model contact form and let's make it. So you have to be with me, code with me, so that you will understand, right? By viewing only or by seeing only, you won't understand the code. So to understand, you have to be with me and code with me. Okay, and the other thing is, if you have any problem regarding all of this, you can just comment me below, don't worry for that, and I will try to answer it by solving your questions. So we have the message form, name, email, subject. Okay, message form, name, email, subject. So let's make it message, okay, message form, and the another one is name, another one is email, and another one is the subject. So don't worry if you are a beginner, because there are a lot of things which I have shown here. It is always for the beginners. Okay, just assume that I am your friend. It's like I'm also a beginner. Okay, just assume that I'm also a beginner and I'm trying to show you how the beginner will code. Okay, so if I have also any problem, I will go to the Google and I will show you how to do that. So don't worry for that. Message form. Okay, everything is right. Okay, so these things also done. So modeling things done. So we have, in these things we have not the single things called, I mean like we have not any kind of the things regarding this type of documents. Okay, so these all are the text or the non-document things. We don't need to upload anything here. So for these type of the things, what we can do is we can do the easy way, right? So for the easy way, what I'm going to do is I will go to the controller. Okay, so before controller, let's make the things which could be easy. Okay, let's make 2-3 things here. Product. Okay, so I'm going to copy this product, right, and I'm going to paste this into the backend. Don't worry. So let's paste it, and in the product copy, sorry, I don't need to delete here. I want to rename it and call the first thing is contact form. Okay, so okay, so the another I will paste the another also. Let's paste it. So here what I'm going to make is contact. Okay, so contact also done, and another thing is I want to paste it here, and here what I'm going to do, sorry, I need to delete this. Here I am going to rename it contact form contact, and here the other thing is called okay customer detail. Okay, so customer detail. Okay, the another one I would like to make, or the all paste. So the other one I want to make is called, we have this customer and we need the payment. Okay, so payment. Okay, so the 4 things is done, right? So customer details, contact form, and the payment, right? So the first thing in the contact, let's go and make the contact and contact form first. So in the contact, what we have, you have to just look at here, location, email address, and phone. So let's make it split here. Okay, split. Okay, I need this. I guess can do these things also. So but it may seems little. Okay, so I am going to split here, and let's make it in the create form. Okay, so okay, first of all, before you create, let's go to the route section. Okay, so let's make the route of 4 things, and then we can create it. It will be easy, because otherwise it will show the error, you don't have a route. And so let's go to route. So for that, let's go to route and web, right? And here let's go to, okay, let's copy this 1 2 3 4. Okay, I am going to copy here 4. The first one is the not the product, not the things. So the first one will be is like customer detail. Okay, DETAIL. Okay, detail. Okay, so here customer detail controller. The second one will be payment and payment controller. Okay, so we have these things done. Okay, customer details, payment, and we need 2 more. So let's see, one is the contact maybe, and another is maybe the contact form. Okay, contact form. So contact form. So here what I'm going to do is it will be the easy for you all, because in this step there should be easy. So first of all, let's go towards the customer detail controller, right? So we have made all the models already. Okay, let's go towards the customer form. Okay, I don't need these things. Okay, sorry for that. I just forget what I was going to do is like, let's go and make the customer. First of all, let's try to make from the customer details create. Okay, so from here let's see, and the other one what I'm going to make is here I am going to take another thing. Okay, first of all let's open the, okay, this is the customer details, right? So customer detail, and okay, now here what I'm going to do is, okay, that is not the thing. The thing is what I'm going to do, create. So here create customer detail. So this is just a code and we can do it with the front end. So for now I am going to make it from the backend. Okay, so we have a YF name, YL name, company name, phone. Okay, so let's go and see. F name, YL name, company name, phone. Okay, so we have here, I don't need this section. So here product name will be the YF name, and here F name. So this ID for now it doesn't require. Okay, but also I just typed it. So here first name, and the second one will be the last name, right? So first name, last name, L name, and name also L name. First name, last name, and another thing we have is okay, company name. Okay, company name, first name, last name, and company name. Why I just made this company name, I don't know, I just forget. I think here is also company name or not. Let's see. Okay, if it is for the company, and it can be the company name. Okay, so first name, last name, okay, okay, it's okay, it's nullable. So first name, last name, company name, and we have phone, email, country. So the other one I'm going to copy here, and so, and here I'm going to paste here and say phone, and phone, phone number, and here I'm going to do call the email. Here name email and input type email. So email, and another thing is, let's do the thing here. Country address 1, address 2, town. So country I want to make here, just copy that. I will copy that country, here country COUNTR country. Here is like text, and the other ones is address 1, address 2, town, district. So there should be the other one, address 1 and address 2. Okay, so just copy this one, paste it here. There will be the address 1 and address 1. So here address 1. Okay, so the address 1 is here and the address 2 will be in the other section. There is the address 2, and let's copy this here and let's paste it here with the address 2, and it will be easy. So customer details, okay, town, district, postcode and other nodes. Okay, so town, district, postcode and other nodes. There are a lot of things. Okay, other nodes. Okay, town, district, postcode and other nodes. So I will be putting it here, town, district, postcode and other nodes. Okay, this town, district, postcode and other nodes. Just paste it here, town for town, district, postcode and for other nodes. Just copy this one and paste it here. So change here, town, district, postcode and other name. Okay, so here it will be the town, it will be the town. Okay, town. Here it will be the district, it will be the district, DSDRICT district. Here will be the postcode, here is the postcode, postal code. So time distribution, other nodes, and here also other nodes. So we have town, district, postcode and other nodes also. So we have made this thing so far. Okay, so for copy this and paste this, it's little burden. Okay, Another thing what I'm going to do here is the customer detail. Okay, so okay, let's go towards the form. Let's see customer detail. Okay, so okay, done. And in the show blade, index is here, create is here. So let's solve the system here. PHP artisan serve, and here we have done this so far. So what I am going to do is I'll just copy this one. Okay, and then I would like to paste this to the it. Okay, so it will be easy for us. So from here, maybe let's go to the object section and let's delete these things. Okay, here. Okay, and let's paste it here. So here what I'm going to do is, here it will be like, okay, just change this to the customer detail, and here it may be customer detail, which I will change it, don't worry. So these things also done here, and let's make the index section here. Here let's make the customer detail, so there will be the customer detail dot create, and it will be a customer. Let's go and check it out here. For each customer detail adds a matter there, so we don't need this section. So here what I'm going to do is f name, here l name, here address 1, and we have one thing called, so name, last name, address and email. So I'm going to just show these things only, so it's your wish. Okay, so for now I'm just going to add only for f name, l name, address 1 and email. Okay, so here let's make it, so this section we don't need this now. So here will be first name, here will be the last name, and here will be the address 1. Okay, and here it will be the email. Okay, so we have these things here done. So let's go towards here and let's make it customer detail. Okay, here also customer detail. Okay, everything is done here, right? So we don't need show now, so let's go and let's make the controller now. So what I'm going to do here is, you can just see it here. Okay, product category we have, I would like to just copy this one, right? So let's copy from here, from public index. Okay, I would like to copy here and I would like to paste it to, oh sorry, we don't need to paste these things. So let's just type. Okay, it will be easy you to understand also. So what I'm going to type is here in the index, customer detail equal to customer detail all. Okay, so I'm going to and return customer detail, right? No, return view. And what I'm going to show the view is website dot backend dot customer detail dot index. Okay, so the other one is I am going to pass the thing customer detail. Okay, done. Okay, and another thing is, so customer details has been done. So for the create section, let's copy this. Okay, I want to copy this. I just want to copy this only. Okay, and let's here create. Here we don't need these things, so just delete this. Okay, and in the store sections, let's say customer detail, and then let's say the create, and here let's say the request all. Okay, so maybe it will work out. Okay, so these things done, and let's return view, return redirect. Okay, so here what I want to do is just you can just see the other controller, like one thing will be the okay, let's go and see. We have here product controller, and you just need to copy this. So I'm going to do it in the fast way, so let's change it like customer detail. Okay, and let's see what will happen. We have the route, we have the everything, so let's make the okay, here let's go and see. We need the customer details, right? So dashboard and customer details, we have the customer detail, right? So what happened is like maybe not found customer details used to make it shouldn't be like these things. So let's see, and let's refresh it again. Customer detail. Okay, so we have this customer detail. Okay, customer detail controller, and in the customer detail controller we have the everything. Okay, index here, and that index everything is here, but let's see, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, not found. Seriously, let's check the route. So here let's check the route, PHP artisan route list. So let's check it here. What we need is customer detail. Okay, maybe it happens because of these things. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, we need to just solve it. So let's refresh it. Okay, we have the table of view not fine. Maybe we have not migration yet. Okay, so let's migrate it first. So let's migrate from here. PHP artisan migrate. Okay, we have just migrated these things. Okay, so let's refresh it. Maybe it will work out. Okay, it has been worked. So here what we can do is like add customer, and let's create the first name ICT training, and this should be the first name, last name. There is two last name in the index. Create. Let's see here. We have the custom detail, we have the first name, last name, company name. Okay, so we have the company. So let's refresh it, and we have the company name. Let's refresh this again. So we have the first name, and we have the last name, and we have the company name, and phone number we have. So we have email, and we have country, we have address 1, and we have address 2, we have town, we have district, we have postal code, we have other nodes. Let's say please subscribe. So let's submit it, and let's see what will happen. So it said that the field district doesn't have the default value. Okay, so let's see here. We have the district here, address 1, address 2, town, DSTRICT, district. Maybe it's DIS, right? I know what's going on, I think. Okay, DISTRICT, district. So this Microsoft Word and all the things usually had been made us to know what. So district DIS, okay, DISTRICT, right? So there is a mistake. Okay, so let's see here. We have customer. No, where it gone? Index create. So we have here, let's see. Okay, not the contact one, right? We have this. Okay, district DISTRICT. Okay, so again let's I need to refresh here. Let's. Okay, this won't be happening, right? Because so let's make it again. So let's make it again. So we have and other nodes subscribes. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, right? So we have these three things. If you want to make other more you can just put it. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So we have add the customer. So for add the customer, it's very easy, and for that let's copy this. I want to just copy these things, right? And in the update section, just paste it here and change this to customer. Okay, customer detail, and just do like this. Okay, so everything is done here. So in the other section here, what we can do is just return and view where you want to show the view. So website dot backend dot website dot backend dot, the other one is like customer detail dot update, right? Maybe, okay, right, it is right. So here what I want to send is like I want to send the customer detail. Okay, so I have sent it the customer detail here. So in the destroy section, let's destroy the things. So it's easy, you just have to do like customer details delete. Okay, so return and redirect, and then just say route and customer detail dot index, right? So we have these things here. So there's something expected. Return redirect. Okay, return redirect. Okay, now it's okay. So we have these things, update, edit also. So let's go to edit. So here what you can do is you can just change something. So I want to change here something. So this ID in the update section, I'm going to put it called the value, right? So let's change it to the ID to value. So here and here, and here, value. In the text area you have to just you have to write it here. So customer detail, I'm going to copy this, and here address one. Okay, so in text area I'm going to paste this address 2, right? In here also I'm going to make it what, that is the town. No. Okay, value and value, and here also I want to just paste it and other nodes, right? So let's go start from the beginning. In the value just paste it here. Oh sorry, Oh, I forgot. Just copy this one and let's paste it from the beginning. Okay, so in the first name let's paste this one, cut this one, paste it. Okay, so in the last name section, oh sorry, I don't need to, I need to write. Okay, so let's write it down here, L name. So here company name. Okay, and here I want to copy this first, phone, and here email, and here country, and we don't need to the address, so in here town, right? So here district, and here postcode, and we have the other nodes. Okay, this section is done, and we will be uploading these sections also. So let's see, in the post everything is right in our custom details, update custom detail. Okay, so I think we have done everything right. Okay, so let's see, refresh it, let's check it out. Okay, and let's see, let's submit it. So the district have done with default value, so let's make it, let's refresh it, district. So where the district, so district, we have the district, town, district. So copy this and paste this out. Okay, so let's see here, district, Kathmandu, let's submit. Okay, what I had to do that, I have to refresh first of all, because it's from the form. Okay, so Kathmandu, refresh it, submit it. Okay, so everything is okay, right? So what I'm going to do here is, let's try to delete it. Okay, so why these two came out, it is because we have, for that let's go towards the controller, and let's see here, and in the customer here, here the say update. Okay, so you have to know all these things, right? So okay, let's refresh it again, let's refresh it, and let's delete this. Okay, deleted. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. This much for today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you so much, and I'll meet you soon. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.